Hi folks, welcome back to Lamarque Crescent City Ford, right here in beautiful Harahan, Louisiana. My name's Eric Kendrick. Today we're going to be showcasing this E-Series Knapheide Service Body. And let me show you what's so special about it. The Knapheide Service Body is so great, let me tell you. This thing here is great for getting organized. Man, let me tell you, they got shelves in here that you can organize up and down. You got dividers in here that you can take out and organize all your parts. So that way, whether you got large parts or small, it can hold it all. So you can also tow with this vehicle too. I do a 7-way combo pin on the back. It also just allows, you can tow up to 12,000 pounds max on this vehicle. So if you got a small utility trailer that you need to pull behind, or a generator or anything like that, this thing will do it for you. Now on top, I do put a double drop down ladder rack. It is optional, so you don't have to have it, but it is very convenient. This rack will drop down on the side, so that way if a guy's either tall or if he's short, it makes it easy and convenient to put his ladder racks up. Folks, if you have any questions on this vehicle or any one of our lot, whether it's regular cab, extended cab, or crew, let me build the right truck for you. My name's Eric Kendrick, and I thank you for your time.